Install and print with the HP Universal Print application. The HP Universal Print application, or HP UPA for short, is an HP app designed to create a customized printing experience for Windows computers. HP UPA is only available for select HP printers. Step 1. Install the HP Universal Print application. There are two ways to install HP UPA. It is installed automatically after setting up the printer using the HP Smart app, or it can be installed through Microsoft Plug and Play for Windows. This video covers both install methods. Method 1. Install the HP Smart app. You can download and install the free HP Smart app from the Microsoft Store. Select Install to download the app. Once it is installed, open the HP Smart app. If a Welcome to HP Smart screen displays, read through and click Accept All. Depending on what is shown in the HP Smart app, click either Set up a new printer or Add printer. Follow the prompts to set up your printer. Find your printer in the list and then click the printer name or setup. When the print driver successfully installed message displays, click Continue. HP UPA installs automatically and the print queue is created under the Printers and Scanners menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once you are done, it might take a few minutes before your printer displays in the HP Smart home screen. Method 2. Install using Windows Plug and Play. You can use this method to add either a network-connected or USB-connected printer to Windows. This method is only available for select printer models. Refer to the link in the description to view a list of compatible models. To add a network printer to Windows, make sure your printer and computer are within the range of your Wi-Fi network. Connect the printer and computer to the same wireless network. On the printer control panel, touch menu, Settings, Network, then Wi-Fi. Turn the Wi-Fi option on. Select Wi-Fi setup and then follow the on-screen instructions to select the network name and enter the password. In Windows, search for and open Printers and Scanners. Click Add Device. Then select the option to add the printer manually. Select Add a printer using an IP address or hostname. Then select Next. Next to device type, make sure IPP device is selected. Then enter the printer IP address. Select Next. Wait until the driver installation is complete. Then select Finish. After the printer is listed in the Printers and Scanners menu, you are ready to print. Depending on your printer model, you can also install the printer using a USB cord. To add a USB printer to Windows, make sure an open USB port is available on your computer and make sure the computer is connected to the internet. Do not connect the printer to a USB hub or docking station as the printer might not receive enough power to operate properly. Turn the printer on and connect the USB cable to the printer and then to your computer. Print driver installation might take a couple of minutes. In Windows, search for and open Printers and Scanners. If your printer is listed, the print driver is installed, and you are ready to print. To confirm that HP UPA is installed, click your printer and then click Open Printer app. A window opens with HP UPA details. Step 2. Print using the HP Universal Print application. Once the HP UPA has been installed, you can print using either the HP Smart method or through other apps in Windows if you installed using the Windows Plug and Play method. Method 1. Print using the HP Smart app. If you installed the HP Smart app, open the app and then click either Print Documents or Print Photos, depending on the file type that you want to print. Select your printer from the list of available printers. Click More Settings. When you are printing a multi-page PDF document and you enter the page range, wait for 10 to 15 seconds until the preview shows the correct pages. Change any print settings. Click OK, and then print. Method 2. Print using other applications. Open the document. Click File, and then Print. The Print dialog box opens. Select the printer from the list of available printers. Click Printer Properties. Change the print driver features based on your preferences. For example, you can select two-sided printing. Click OK, and then click Print.